Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add age verification for your site in Blogger. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get here on the L site. L site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets and one of them is age verification. Let's click sign up for free. When you will have it, you want to write email or password here or just Google or Facebook, and when you got it, click login. Now you're gonna see here and right here age, and you're gonna see here age verification. Let's create a widget. Now you got like which one you want to choose. Let's go default, wine, vaping. You really edit what kind of you like actually. Let's continue with the template. Now when we have it, you can go minimum age, verification method. Then you get like content here. You can edit it and style, colors and stuff like that. Let's click save. So now when we have it, you need to choose a plan. You can start, if you're starting out with your site, go with the light version, $0 a month. But if you have like a lot of views, go with the basic or pro version. That's just my recommendation. What I would do. And choose light on beginning. When you have the code here, let's go to theme. Now let's click here. Edit HTML, and now you want to go to the 3217, or better word is div class page, right? And paste it there. Now just click save. Good. And let's go customize, and let's see view block. Voila. Here we got perfect. Welcome to our website, age verification for your site in Blogger. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Also, what I recommend, definitely check out all the other applications here. If you like some, like Facebook feed, Google Maps, Twitter feed. Because if you're gonna have like 3-4 apps, it's much more better for you to have pro pack or basic pack rather than paying for every single application alone. So definitely check that out. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.